What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is like 1 week later. I got the timing chain. Already installed it, and I've tested the cylinders. So when I take the spark plug out, the spark plug hole was full with oil, and a whole lot of oil drained down in the cylinder. And when I checked the compression on the cylinder, each of them was giving me like 240 on each cylinder. So I'm guessing the reason why it's so high is because it got oil in it. But I tried to spin it to take some of the oil out, and that got it down to like around 148 to 150. So I think that's good. So the engine, I think, is healthy. Engine is healthy. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and order the timing belt for the front, timing belt kit. Might as well change that now, like I'm doing the rear timing chain. And I noticed that the intake cam shaft is all messed up. This is the part that ride on the high pressure fuel pump. I'm gonna show you guys the pressure, the high pressure fuel pump in a little bit. And this thing is almost wrong. So this thing been grinding for a while. Don't know why, if it wasn't getting oil in here, I don't know. But the car seems to have a lot of oil pressure, because when I was checking the cylinder, this is like the part that comes up to feed the, like, all the chain and stuff up here. This thing was spraying out oil crazy. So, and that was just spinning it. That's not even with it running. So see, I got oil everywhere. So she got oil pressure. So I don't know why this eat down, if it's a common thing for them or what. But now I gotta change this camshaft. This is the intake camshaft. So yeah, so I'm gonna order intake camshaft, the full timing belt kit for the front, including water pump, everything. Just get everything over and done. This is the high pressure fuel pump. I'm gonna order one of these too, because I don't know if you could order this goes in here, this screws in here. I don't know if you could just order this piece. I'm not sure. I'm gonna check, cause this is the one that was grinding on the camshaft. So this rides on the camshaft like that. And this is like the little piston that goes over the spring, and it just eat out everything there. So if I can't get this little piece right here with the spring, I'm gonna have to order the whole high pressure pump, fuel pump. Yeah, so engine is fine, no valve bend or anything. So now what I'm gonna do, like when I know the engine is good, I'm gonna start taking the engine mount, get this timing chain cover off, so I could get to the timing chain, the timing belt. This is not the chain. This side is the belt. That side is the chain. So I'm gonna get the timing belt off, and then afterwards I'm gonna take the intake camshaft out. So I gotta loose all these bolts here to get this part just from here to here. So you just separate from the head, and then that's what hold the camshafts down. So yeah, so let's go to work. Alright guys, so we got bad news with the engine. So I was taking off the timing belt and all that stuff so we could replace it, and this camshaft over here was messed up, so I decided to change this camshaft. But when I take the camshaft off, that's what I found. The whole camshaft is messed up. The camshaft retainer to hold on the camshaft, everyone is messed up on it. Look at it. So, and if it was only that would be good, I could just replace that along with the camshaft, but the head is also messed up too. Look at that. So it's supposed to look something like this. It's supposed to look like this, nice and smooth with no scratches. Little scratches, but that's what it's supposed to be. And if you see right here, that is all messed up. I figured something was going on when I was taking it off. I see some metal shaving. You see them right here on the inside of it. I figured something was up. So those bearings are gone. So this head is done. Bottom end's still good, still got good compression. I don't know how the bearings on the crank look, but from what I see, this engine is garbage. That's it for him. I'll let you guys know if I find an engine for it or what I'm gonna do with the car. What up guys? Well, I end up changing the engine of the VW Passat. The motor wasn't good. I didn't make a whole video of me replacing the, pulling out the engine and stuff like that, but this is the old engine is out. That's the new engine. Yeah, as I said, I didn't make a whole removal video of the engine. I just I find a nice deal on a used engine. I get it and take it out, swap it in, and that was it. So I have the car parked out there and got the Subaru back in the garage. So she was out in Nicole maybe for like a month or so till I could find an engine for next engine for the VW. But I get it done. Where's the key? I get it done and she's running pretty good. The engine seems to be pretty good. I'll show you guys. Now you couldn't see the car good in the video, but it's a pretty little clean first car. Alright. Start it up for you guys. Yeah, so she's running pretty much perfect. You don't even see the RPM needle moving or anything, so engine pretty smooth. The only thing I had to do, because it was a bare engine, it wasn't a complete engine, it's like pretty much just was the black and the head, so I had to swap over all electronics on this one. Alternator, condenser, all that stuff. I did buy a new timing belt, change the timing belt on it, and the chain in the back that went out on the last engine. Yeah, she was smooth, not even shaking. So that's the end result of the VW Passat. End up getting an next engine, swap it out. I think that was the best thing, best and fastest thing to do. See, if you see inside of this little car, it's pretty clean. The seats are in good condition, no rip, nothing like that. Yeah, so my daughter's gonna be real happy about this. It's real smooth. Yes, sir. Yeah, guys. So now I got time to work on the Subaru. I'm gonna be swapping out, change turbo and stuff like what I said in the last time. But been busy with that little car. I was holed up for a while with that little car. Probably next week I'll probably start working on mine, replacing the turbo and fuel system on it. Trying to go E85, cause we noticed at the track that the GT45 was just running out of air, running out of puff about so like 12, 13, yeah, 12, 30 pounds. Yeah, after that it looked like it just started blowing hot air and then start pulling timing because the intake temps start getting high. So that's why I'm getting a bigger turbo. I don't know what size yet, but as soon as it's gonna be a little bit bigger, but how bigger I don't know yet. Alright guys, well, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. See you guys on the next upload.